Okay, we're at foot of Canal Street, and what happens here is the Battle of Liberty Place in 1874. The Custom House was where Kellogg, the governor-elect, was stationed. The White League had been secretly planning that they're going to take the city over by force. 5,000 of their members started putting up barricades. They were reinforcing. They had snipers all around the city. They were up against just 600 police officers. They won the battle. They actually got control of the government until Grant was petitioned, and 3 days later, President Ulysses S. Grant sent down federal troops to restore order. That order was actually restored, and they surrendered.